Hey, how's everybody doing? Today I'll be going over with y'all on a 300 yard slab we poured a couple days ago. Pretty much I'll just be going over the process, what it's like and what we did and how we did it. Yeah, just let me know if you have any questions on anything we did. Let's get started. So yeah, this is me driving to the job. I left the house around 2:30ish to be at the job around 3. Concrete was supposed to be there around 4. Just stopping by to get a cup of coffee right quick. So yeah, I arrived around 3 o'clock, 3 in the morning. We started setting up the lights, getting everything prepped up and ready for concrete. These are a couple of just drone shots that I got before the pour. Pump truck arriving. Like I mentioned before, it is a metal building, so it's pretty much all anchor bolts. Interior bolts right there, as you can see. And pretty much the whole perimeter had anchor bolts also. Like I said, if you have any questions on I guess any of the things we did, just let me know.
How you doing, man? Hey, what's going on now?
Just me talking to the pump guy.
Alright. So where are you gonna be putting yourself? That's what I'll see where you want me at. I think they're wanting you to be right here in this section right here. Let's figure it out.
It's a pretty big slab. The whole front side of the building was had a brick ledge, pretty much a footer for the brick that's gonna be going there. That's me in a black shirt checking the anchor bolts with my shirt with my hat flipped back. So we poured the outside perimeter first. We actually poured the interior footers first, and then we went with the perimeter footer just so I can tighten everything up. It'd be easier to pour the actual slab. So we did have to laser screed it. I think at first they were having a little difficult. They were having some difficulties getting it going. I'm not sure what the problem was. I was more focused on the anchor bolts, just making sure everything was right. But I think it was this little section right here that was giving them trouble or getting them started, I guess. But I believe after this whole little section right here, everything went pretty smooth. So yeah, this pretty much skipped over to the finishing part because my GoPro died, so it didn't get the rest of the pour. But yeah, this was pretty much the finishing. We had two riding machines on there, and Afterwards, we put two more finishing machines, walk behinds, and everybody else was just pretty much touching up the perimeter and stripping forms. Everything went pretty smooth. I believe by midday everything was pretty much finished. By midday we started saw cutting also. You'll see that in a couple seconds. So yeah, we did have some guys go with the walk behind trial machine just to get the wetter part of the slab where the riding machines couldn't get through because they're a whole lot heavier. As y'all can see, the brick ledge right here, the footer for the bricks to go on. So right after the finish, we started saw cutting, chopping the lines and getting everything ready for the cuts. Some drone footage. But yeah, that was it, guys. I wish I could have recorded a little more, but I couldn't because I was also working at the same time trying to get everything going, making sure everything was right. But yeah, I'll be trying to do more of these and trying to record more. Like I said, if you have any questions on what we did or how we did it, or anything concerning these commercial slabs, the ankle bolt slabs, you can let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a couple more videos coming up. Thank you.